Today we're discussing the importance of standardized recipes. Have you ever gone to your favorite restaurant and ordered your usual and it just doesn't taste right? Customers expect a dish to taste just like it did the last time they visited your restaurant or another location of the same brand. This is why every restaurant or food service operation needs standardized recipes. They provide consistency for customers, so menu items will always look and taste the same and provide the same value. They also provide consistency for the operation to ensure that selling price is based on known ingredient costs. If a cook eyeballs the portion of meat in an entree, a guest ordering an 8-ounce filet may get a 10-ounce cut one visit and a 6-ounce cut the next. This will lead to complaints and confusion about what the guest should be getting. If a cook tosses in a pinch of this herb and a dash of that spice, a dish will taste slightly different each time it is prepared. Weighing and measuring ingredients is critical for customer satisfaction and food cost goals. It is important that all kitchen staff are trained using the same standardized recipes. They must be coached to use those standardized recipes every time they prepare a dish. To set the kitchen staff up for success, those recipes should be easily accessible to all members of the team. At the restaurant where I work, our cooks each have a computer screen at their station. This screen shows the cooks which items have been ordered so they can prioritize and plan ahead. It also has a button to show the recipe for each item which is prepared at that station. This means cooks do not need to memorize every detail of a new menu item. They can simply click on the screen to see which ingredients are in the dish, how much to use, and how to prepare that item.